So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to format text as subheading font here on the Apple Notes application. So just for a little bit more context here, inside of the Apple Notes app, you can actually format text a bunch of different ways. You can use, title font, heading font, body font, mono-styled font, and subheading font. So if you wanted to just type in the word subheading font right here, but you wanted to make the subheading font actually something specific, double tap what you want to do right here. Go to the middle here where it says capital A, lowercase a in the far left, press on that. Now where it says format right here, by default it actually does have body for me, but right in the middle between heading and subheading, or heading and body, it says subheading right here. Press on subheading, then all of a sudden your font has now been changed to the subheading style. So very straightforward, but that is how to format text as subheading font here on the Apple Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.